So hey guys, I'm Harsh here. Welcome back to yet another low effort video, which I upload in a while cause I'm never consistent. Anyways, you guys already know, even if you don't, I'm telling you, Google has somewhat teased the new Pixel 6 and series. Actually, it confirmed the looks and stuff. So in this video, I'll be talking about the advantages and disadvantages of the moves made by Google. Let's hop into it. First, the advantages. So Qualcomm, which produces SoCs or the processors of the smartphones, gives a 3-year reverse support. That means even if Google wishes to provide system updates to any smartphone for more than 3 years, it just can't. As we all know, the Pixel 6 is coming with Google's own chipset, which means Google can provide system update for more than 3 years to Pixel 6 and series. And it actually will. It will actually provide 5 years of system updates, which is quite a big deal. The second advantage is that you will get a better experience. Google believes in providing a great experience and not just playing the number game. Google will be using its Tensor AI chip, which is based on Exynos 2200 SoC, though it will not provide the same performance. I'll be talking about that later. But yes, the Tensor chip will provide way better AI performance. Earlier, along with Snapdragon chips, Google also had neural cores in its smartphones, but it was all separate, resulting in not so great communication between the stuff. But this time, Google will be using its own chip, which will have neural cores inside it, providing better AI performance. Hope you got that. The advantages of AI in Google phones is visible. Here I am talking about the Gcam. So yes, with this change, Gcam just got better. Now it can provide magnificent videography too. And yes, photography will get better for sure. Other than that, we will also get voice features just like offline subtitles, which is gonna be great. The next pro or advantage is that Google can create its ecosystem as it got softwares for many devices. It was just lagging in the hardware department, but it's getting better in it. The last advantage which I can think of is competition. These moves by Google is gonna create hype like it did. And if the product fulfills the hype created, then other companies will be under pressure cause they have to compete. More the competition, more the companies will try to provide value, better for the consumers. Let's talk about the cons now. First is that it will take some time to optimize different softwares and applications for the Google chip, like they are optimized for MediaTek and Snapdragon SoCs. Next is the overhype. There is a lot of hype for this series. The more hype, the more chances of people being unsatisfied. I'm not saying Pixel 6 won't be great, but the hype has created a lot of expectations, which can be a downside if, in case, Google fails to satisfy. Then we have the performance. I'm telling you, don't expect the Google processor to be as powerful as Snapdragon 888 or something like that. It surely won't be. The processor will perform more like Snapdragon 865, though it will have mild G78 GPU, which will be really powerful. Then the last one is regarding our privacy. By now you guys should know privacy is just a myth, but you can't throw your data at a random guy on internet. But still, if you think no one has access to your data except you, then you are wrong, my friend. Anyways, back to the topic. Google wants us to use their devices and for long. That's why it is giving 5 years of updates. Plus, smartphones nowadays are not much innovative, and the specification is nice too. So I personally can use a device for 5 years unless it starts creating problems. Same for many other people. But wait, what about Google's profit? Well, Google earns more from software related stuff. We just don't know. They can also use our data to create better and advertiser friendly algorithms for current Google services. They were already doing this, but if someone uses Google devices, then they of course will have a better hold. By the way, I'm not criticizing Google cause other brands can do this too, and they even do it. Now let's talk about its availability in India. So in India, 60% chances are that it won't be released. but still Google India is showing positive response, and 40% chances are that it can get released, though it will be expensive, so keep that in mind. Anyways, that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and do all these great things. I'll be back for the next one. See ya.